When a relationship breaks or drifts apart, the pain is never one-sided. Both hearts carry the same weight of heavy thoughts and silent tears.
It's not just about who walked away or who stayed behind. It is about two people wondering where they lost each other.
Many relationships slowly crumble long before the final goodbye. It happens when both partners stop expressing their true feelings. He struggles with things left unsaid, feeling lonely in the dark, while she drowns in the silence of a house that once felt like home. Psychology reveals that both men and women feel the same void. A deep human need to be completely understood, not blamed. In the chaos of a breakup, ego often hides the underlying love.
But healing begins when we look beyond our own pain.
True wisdom is knowing that relationships require mutual shelter.
And faith is believing that a broken spirit can always be restored. Instead of calculating who hurt whom, try to offer grace.
Sometimes, a single gesture of presence can heal years of silence.
Relationships thrive when both choose to listen instead of argue.
Both must work together to protect each other's emotional safety. Erase the distance, put away the distractions, and just be there. Because the strongest relationships are built in these quiet, shared moments. True responsibility is choosing to protect your love every single day. Leave a comment below with your thoughts. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.